Hi, I am Lalitendra studying BTech first year in GMR Institute of Technology, and my branch is Computer Science, and I am taking a separate course on web development from IB Hubs, uh, which Nextware company. Uh, according, they gave me a first project, the first mini project, which is VR reality. Uh, In this video, I will be sharing how I built this mini project own, with my own knowledge from scratch. Before this, we need to understand three things: introduction and overview of AR, VR and AR, XR concepts and terminology, and the last one is virtual reality. Introduction. Virtual reality. First of all, the word virtual means not real, which is imaginary. The imaginary environment created by the software is called as virtual in this sense, and reality is the technology used to make a person experience in the whole, like a real world, is known as virtual reality. And coming to AR, AR is the display of VR in real world. Example, the face recognition app means the face lock in the phone is an example for AR. And coming to the XR, it's the real mixing of VR and AR technology. Not only VR, AR, and also MR. MR means mixed reality, which is combination of VR and AR. According to this Indian society, the job roles offered by the VR and MR are game designer, 3D artist, game developer, 3D animator, sound engineer, concept artist. For this, there are for this virtual reality there are two devices which convey those are uh, three degrees of freedom of 3 headset, degrees of freedom of 6 headset. This ends the introduction of VR and AR. Now let us see the few concepts and terminologies of virtual environment. First of all, in this virtual environment there will be objects of 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. The difference is height. The height decides what is 2D and 3D. If there is no height, it is 2D, and if there is length, breadth, and height, though that is 3D. And the next is modeling. Modeling is nothing but preparing the same object with a different material, texture, 3D print. For example, a laptop is there. The same laptop can be changed to different color, and different stickers may be added, but the laptop is same, but the stickers are different. This is modeling. And the next process is rigging. The process of building a skeleton or bone-like structure to a 3D model to the way we want is called as rigging. I will tell you a favorite example for this. In the movie called Robo, Robo 1, Robo 1.0, to say it clearly, in that the Dr. Vasikar makes the Robo dance like him. Means if Vasikar dances, the robot dances automatically in the way Vasikar wants. This is nothing but rigging. And then this ends the concept of terminology and the concepts of XR. Now let us take a check about the WebVR. WebVR is an interesting thing. It is nothing but a software where we can do a virtual environment. It is easy to build and easy to share quickly. And it also supports in all, like a mobile, PC, headset, laptop, etc. The famous frameworks used when we build our WebVR are A-Frame, Babylon.js, 3.js, FrameVR. FrameVR is the famous of these, and I build the virtual environment with FrameVR only. Now let us see the virtual environment created by me. this is the virtual environment created by me. See the dogs are created by me, and these are the images I kept. And the main thing is career guidance strategies. This company is all about career guidance strategies. Let us see what's there in here. See. There are some important quotes for this office, because the workers will be get motivated because of these, and this plays a major role. Now let us see the classrooms. See, the meeting is going on, and many members are there discussing about the meeting. Now let us see. These all things are created by me. This is a virtual reality. But you can say that there is no headset. How can you see it? Because it is built like that. Without VR headset, we can see. See how good it is. There are books for the people there out. And you can say, why those dogs? I will say that the dogs are there for emergency purposes, like a bomb squad. This is a secret office, and dogs should be there because to distinguish between workers and some other people with negative thoughts. And it's also, they provide safety to the customers. So this is the world created by me by the web VR called FrameVR. So this is the thing I created within a maximum of I learned for 4 hours, and I built that in 1 hour. I can do it still more, but due to time constraint I couldn't. But FrameVR is an absolute amazing thing for web VR. So I can say that this is I understood a clear concept of VR, and I thank for Ivy Hubs. Come next wave. Next wave comes under the Ivy Hubs. So it's very easy to build me, and I thank you a lot. My gratitude lies with you every time. So do like, share, and subscribe this. I'll keep the links in the description. Explore it, and I'll keep the links of the next week also. Do visit, and you get enough clarity about VR. And if also you have any doubts regarding this, you can DM to my Instagram. My Instagram ID also will be given in description, and ID is Lallu Lalitendra. Thank you. Bye.